start this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And also share this video. Hey guys, today we will be unboxing BOOS Collectibles Hand-Painted Series 2. This is different from the one that I did the first time, which you can see up in the corner. And these are the ones that you can collect: Blueberry, Owlette, Tasha, Precious, Tabita, if I'm saying that right, Squirt, Boom Boom, Tundra, Ice Cube, Glitter, Gilbert, and Skylar. You can collect them all. And you will be surprised. I found this at Dollar Tree. Yes, I go to lots of Dollar Trees, and you can see part 1, Dollar Tree, up in the corner. Part 1. Those are some fun finds that I found that day. Anyways, let's just get started. These are the ones that I really want to collect. Number 1, I want to collect the unicorn glitter. I love unicorns. Number 2, Precious. It's really, really colorful. And number 3, Squirt. I just really love underwater creatures, and I think they're really cool. And I hope to get one of them. So, let's start. The question mark makes it really fun to unbox. It says tie. It's only for age 3 and above. And then I'm going to carefully take it out. And then here's the collector's guide. And you can also collect the mystery chaser, which I talked about that in the last video that we did on BOOS. I think it was Series 3. Let's check. I think it's here somewhere. No, the other one had like different series, but this is okay. Okay, I hope I can collect one of them. Let's see it. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is an orange bag, which makes it really cool. Let's cut a snip. And then before I get it out, don't forget to check out part 2 of the Dollar Tree Fun Finds. Wait, could it be? I seriously got my 3rd favorite one. I got Squirt, the seal. And for a closer look, here is Squirt, right there next to Precious, but this is the one that we got. Wow! I was so surprised to find my 3rd favorite one. You know, I'm one of those people who like things that are basic but cute, and this doesn't have much color to it, but it's really cute. OMG, wow! And like, there's also the mystery chaser that you can collect. Wow, and plus they're really fuzzy. It's a nice blue color. And it's an underwater creature. Well, that was a very short video, and I'm just going to end it here, but there are still videos you can check up at the corner. So, yeah, this is the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye, guys. Check out all the videos in the corner.